as well. But it's that time of the day when we get in Nimesh to tell us what's going on D Street chapter. Well, Nimesh, finally some green on the screen. We haven't had that at around 3 p.m. all of this week, but today some green.
Well, a decent pullback, so to speak, Nigel. And this was something we spoke as well, right? The market looked a little oversold. Some technical levels were suggesting that maybe we'll see a bit of a pullback, from those extreme levels. I guess still I believe that 21,800 on the Nifty is a very crucial level on the Nifty level to watch out for on the downside. Having said that, the FIIs are still better sellers. In fact, the number that we saw for the last couple of days, almost 23,000 crores of selling from the FIIs. My sense is it's been quite speculated as well that couple of large hedge funds are big sellers. Some portion of the selling is still pending, is what I understand. So maybe that will take another few days to consume, and maybe that's the reason why you'll see selling pressure from the FIIs to continue. I guess the fourth phase, which is on Monday, that will be a very important trigger to watch out for, because that will set the trend for the last three phases as well. Apart from that, the earnings is something to track, and as I said, the reversal of the FI flow will be very important for this momentum to continue. So maybe another few days of range-bound trade with 21,800 acting as a very strong support. That's something to watch out for. But I guess it's just a pure pullback from a very oversold. FIs are still better sellers.
Well, that's right. Make sure we look at two goalposts. One will be the swing low of 21,777, and on the upside, the 20 DMA, which is around 22,300. But individual stocks, tell us, what are you picking up?
Well, in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list is Coforge. While the entire IT basket is under pressure today, Coforge stands out and is a big mover, up 3%, large volumes as well. I guess the sense is maybe the company is likely to raise funds by QIP very soon. And I understand the company is already on a roadshow for that fundraising, so something to watch out for in Coforge going forward. The second name is Anantraj. Within the real estate name, this is buzzing off late. Again, in today's trade, the volumes on the higher side. Apart from being a real estate player, it's a proxy data center play as well, and some of the larger institutions now have started looking at this stock very closely. So that's the reason why Anantraj is buzzing off late. And the third name is Sun Pharma. Within the pharma names, this is one stock which actually stands out while the stock is pretty much consolidated and in the green. But there are sell flows, though small, but there is selling pressure in Sun Pharma in today's market.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Remember, Coforge is planning a QIP to fund the Cigniti acquisition.